entertainers in the building.
Today it is all about the quads and how to get into that real deep tissue with the assistance of the band. Let's see how it's done. Alright, so as you can see, I put a fair bit of effort into my setup. I want everything nice and lined up. The ankle, the knee, the hip, and the line of the pull of the band all need to be, lined up nice and straight. That foot really needs to be pointing straight back to really hit the quadricep properly. The glute is activated, the pelvis is tucked right under, and in a sec I'll just show you a few different torso variations just to hit the different muscles slightly. You might try them and see where it feels tight, because everyone's going to be a little bit different. And then using the breath and the band resistance just to pull you further into the stretch. If you're not about to train, you can hold this for 3, 4, even 5 minutes. Depending on your own specific tightness in the quad, you can vary the height of the step, and a common mistake would be to be really pushing forward into the stretch with your lower back. Do it from the hip.